Today we are going to talk about letting go. And that is something that's super important. What you're looking at now is a mural that I paint over and over and over on this garage door, and I paint over last year's piece that I did. And people ask me, do you feel funny about painting over old work? And I say no, and that is because I'm not afraid of letting go. I know that letting go of the past, the things I've done in the past, the processes, the materials that I use, the techniques that I use, and getting outside of my comfort zone to try new things and not worry about holding on to that past, has helped me out tremendously when it comes to my creative career, just being an artist in general, especially over the past couple of years of being a full-time artist. It is something that I have to remind myself of all the time, because that old technique, that old style is very comforting. It's my comfort zone. Think about your favorite musician or comedian, right? If they were doing the same material over and over and over, year after year after year, they wouldn't be as great. But they let go of the past and they bring you along the journey of them sort of evolving. Some things hit, some things miss, but being along on that journey, seeing what they sort of let go and seeing how they evolve in the future is what you love about that artist. And when you don't let go, it's like having a backpack on sort of a hiking trip and it's 50 pounds heavy. That's a lot of stuff you can just let go. It's a lot easier to now go uphill to that next plateau. And don't get me wrong, I'm not painting over my entire history. I'm not throwing all that stuff away. It's just that I'm more interested in the journey and appreciate the process and the evolution. I'm not my best collector. You never want to be your best collector. So I'm able to let go of that stuff and move forward. And letting go takes a lot of courage, and it takes a lot of investment in yourself. Sort of going to new conferences, investing in new materials and equipment, investing in yourself so that you're able to comfortably venture outside of your comfort zone and learn new things. So it takes a lot to get to that space, but every creative can do that. And that's why I'm really able to paint over the same mural that I do year after year after year after year, is because I want to showcase where I am and where I want to be versus where I was yesterday. And this is something that all creatives can apply, not only in their creative career, but also just in life in general. Hopefully this video helped you out in terms of how you navigate your creative journey so that you feel like you're evolving all the time. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, but also look at some of the other playlists and videos that I have, because I really want to make sure that I help a ton of artists out and sort of give a lot of the knowledge that I've been learning. This is one of the best advice that I have been given through sort of my career and the things that I've learned. So hopefully, like I said, you liked the video, and I will see you next time. Peace.